Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sajjad Saleh YouTube channel. Today's topic about Frobenius methods example. So we have example of this type: second order linear differential equation 3xy double prime plus y prime plus y is equal to 0. Because x is equal to 0 is a regular singular point of this equation, second order linear differential equation, we try to find a solution. Now this type of Frobenius general form we put of this equation: y is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity c n x power n plus r, then its derivative, first derivative is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity n plus r c n x power n plus r minus 1. Then its second derivative is y double prime, okay, y double prime and summation n is equal to 0 to infinity n plus r minus 1 c n x power n plus r minus 1. Okay, this is the second derivative of this compact form. And then we have this equation, then 3 is here, and summation x n plus r minus 1 c n x plus x power n plus r minus 1 is derivative. And first we put this form into this previous form into this position, and plus here plus and its first derivative is here. So y prime's derivative is n is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity n plus r c n x power n plus r minus 1. Then this is the minus here, and its original Frobenius form is here: summation n is equal to 0 to infinity c n x power n plus r is equal to 3 is outside, and n is equal to 0 to infinity n plus r 3n plus 3 r minus 2 c n x power n plus r minus 1, and here minus, and summation n is equal to infinity c n x power n plus r. This is a very simple method. And x power r, then multiplication and division sub rules, and x power r is outside the bracket, and summation goes on here, and r 3 r minus 2 c naught x power negative minus 1 plus summation n is equal to 0 n is equal to 1 to infinity n plus r 3 n plus 3 r minus 2 c n x power n minus 1 minus summation n is equal to 0 to infinity c n x power n. Then putting here k is equal to n minus 1 and k is equal to n for this term, and here for this term this compact form, and here's x power r is same, bracket start r 3 r minus 2 c naught x power minus 1 is same. Then plus summation k is equal to 0 to infinity, and bracket start k plus r plus 1, and bracket our bracket here start 3k plus 3r plus 1 ck plus 1 minus ck subscript form minus ck subscript bracket our x power k is bracket our is equal to 0. Then let's move on next page. Here is the next page. Okay, so here is which imply 3r minus 2 c naught is equal to 0. This is initial form. Okay, so k plus r plus 1 3k plus 3r plus 1 ck plus 1 minus ck is equal to 0, then comma k is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2 up to so on. Since nothing is gained by taking c naught is equal to 0, then R3 r minus 2 is equal to 0. Here is the indicial equation. Okay, so and ck plus 1 is equal to k plus r k plus r plus 1 3k plus 3r plus 1. Here we find a recursive formula. Okay, so k is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2 and putting all the values, and we will find this is very simple from 6. Okay, 6 r is equal to 0 comma 2 by 3 when substituting into 7. Here we substitute this. Okay, then let's go on next page. An example here, r1 is equal to 2 by 3 and ck plus 1 is equal to ck or 3k plus 5k plus 1 comma k is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2. R2 is equal to 0. Okay, R2 is equal to 0 and ck plus 1 or ck plus our k plus 1 3k plus 1 comma k is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2 up to so on. Okay, from 8th equation, previous equation 8, and from 9 we have here to find these from c2 the constant, c1 c0 over here, and these are the terms we find our to n factorial is n factorial c0 n minus 1's power n c0 and 5 8 11 up to 3n plus 2. Then n factorial 1 4 7 up to 3n minus 2. Okay, then these two series both contain the same multiple c0. Omitting this term we have y1 of x is equal to x power 2 by 3 bracket star 1 plus summation n is equal to infinity 1 over n factorial 5 8 11 up to 3n plus 2 from x power and bracket over. This is the tan equation. Y2 of x is equal to x naught. Here is the 2 by 3 and here is the x naught. 1 plus 2 summation n is equal to 1 n factorial 1 over n factorial 1 into 4 into 7 up to 3n minus 2 form up to x power n bracket over is 11 form. Okay, so by the ratio test both 10 and 11 converges for all finite value of x such that is mod x less than infinity. Also from the forms of 10 and 11 they are linearly independent. Okay, they are the linearly independent both equations 10 and 11. This the solution is y of x is equal to c1 y1 of x plus c2 y2 of x 0 less than x less than infinity. Okay, so this is the our last term we have find. So this is the first example of Frobenius method we solve. I give you the solution in the form of PPT. So I hope that you understand very well. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. So lots of love. Okay.